Okay, let's count how many. 1. I am in the mood for some live lobster. Let's see what Lobster 207 Maine has to offer. Fresh Maine lobster delivered. There's nothing better than fresh live lobster directly sourced from the lobster men of Maine. That's what you'll get from Lobster 207. Fresh and sustainably caught lobster right from the source. Looks like they sell other types of seafood. I mean, hey, let's see what the price is about though. I see some Maine scallops, boat run, small lobsters, medium, large lobsters. Okay. Let's go ahead and click on the bigger lobster. I think a 20 pounds should suffice. So there you see the 30-pound lobster, all different sizes for $365. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Select boat run 1.74 pounds and up. Box of 20-pound lobster, $295. Like our boat run box, this select run box is full of larger lobsters, meaning each box contains a mixture of different size lobsters, 1.74 pounds and larger. You buy them the way we buy them. Each box will contain lobsters in a variety of sizes. These are our biggest, hardiest lobsters. Yeah, let's go ahead and get that. So it's approximately 10 to 15 lobsters, it says, depending on the size, but adding up to 20 pounds. Add it to cart. Let's get it. Wow, we're opening a box of lobster. Wow. Look at this. I think over $300 for this box of Maine lobster. Ice pack. Wow! Oh, 呢啲大窿嚇 Look how big. Wow, still live. Look. 哇，真係好大隻喎！ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think about 10 or 12 maybe. Okay, let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that was big. Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8. I was wrong. It's only 8. Okay, weighing it is about 7.5 pounds of lobster. Wow. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay, here is a steamer that we're gonna use. I'm afraid we won't be able to fit all 3 in here. Here's one. Mom, you better start the timer. I don't think we can fit 3. I don't even think you can fit. You can probably fit 2. Okay, get the 3rd one, Mom. Oh, okay, because it's. Ooh, okay, 3. Oh, I'm not sure. We can fit 3. We can somehow make it work. Barely. Look at that. My mom initially wanted to chop it up. I said no, that's too gruesome. It's best to steam it whole. Alright, it's steaming. See it's turning. Yeah. About 14 minutes. Okay, Mom, 14 minutes up. Oh, wow. I'm pretty sure that's done. Let's go ahead and check it, Mom. Okay, we're gonna give this to my sister. Family. Yeah, that's the biggest one, I think. Okay, we are, my dad, me, and my mom gonna eat these 2. Okay. 哇，傾唔到，俾傾唔到，估也傾唔到，唔夠傾。Okay. It's hot, Mom. We might have to use a knife.
So.
Okay. Crack it, Dad. Harder. It's like lick.
Yeah.
Ooh, look how meaty that is.
Yep.
Wow. Look at this huge claw for my dad. Okay, Mom. Is it ready?
Mm-hmm. Nào cái cô cứ
Oh wow, look at this lobster tail, guys. Ooh wee! It's beautiful. Since it's so fresh, it should taste sweet. But we have some aged vinegar in case we need it. Mmm. That's one thing I love doing is to mix it in with rice. It is a little bit high in cholesterol, but I don't have to worry about it. Yes, I'm healthy. Mix it in with the rice. That makes a perfectly good meal right there. So flavorful. Ah, the lobster is so fresh and delicious. We don't even need any sauce because it has a natural, savory, sweet flavor. And of course, I'm pairing it with some Angry Orchard, which is strawberry hard cider. It's a perfect balance. Mom, is it good? And I believe this costs about $300 for 20 pounds, so that comes out to be $15 per pound. But these are huge lobsters, so you know the smaller ones can be cheaper, costing like $9.99, $12.99. So $15, you probably save yourself probably around $10 if you order bulk. So there was 8 lobster in all. Yeah, that's a pretty good deal.